Hi, welcome to TMetric Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Zoho SalesIQ workspace to the TMetric time tracker and track time with one mouse click. First, I install the TMetric browser plugin and configure its settings to enable time tracking for external systems. Now, I switch to my Zoho SalesIQ account, navigate to the My Chats tab, and select the required chat. Once I start the timer, the Start Timer button changes to the Stop Timer and displays the time spent on the chat. At the same time, a corresponding time entry appears in TMetric on the time page and is linked to my Zoho SalesIQ chat. This time entry can be edited. I can modify its description, project, duration, and the link to the Zoho SalesIQ chat won't be lost. By clicking the link icon next to the task name, I can easily navigate back to Zoho SalesIQ. Finally, let's generate a report to see how much time I have recorded while working in Zoho SalesIQ. If need be, it's possible to export the report data to CSV or PDF. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.